Welcome to our channel. Activating an employee card at GameStop is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to get your card ready. Step 1. Receive your GameStop employee card from your manager or human resources department. This card may be a discount card, payroll card, or benefits card. Step 2. Check the activation instructions provided with your employee card. There may be a specific website URL, phone number, or in-store process to follow. Step 3. If online activation is required, visit the website indicated on your card or in your employee materials. This URL is typically provided by GameStop's HR department. Step 4. Enter your employee card number and any other required information, such as your employee ID, date of birth, or social security number for verification. Step 5. Create login credentials if setting up an online account. Choose a secure username and password for accessing your employee card account online. Step 6. Set up a PIN for your card if required. This 4-digit code may be needed for transactions or account access. Step 7. Review and accept any terms and conditions associated with your GameStop employee card. Make sure you understand the benefits, restrictions, and any applicable fees. Step 8. Complete the activation and wait for confirmation. Once activated, your employee card is ready to use for its intended purpose, whether that's employee discounts, receiving your paycheck, or accessing other benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.